Hey guys, just got home from work. We're gonna go check on the quail, see how they did today, see if we got any eggs. Starting with the enclosed side, let's see for eggs. Oh, there's one egg. And then on this side, I thought I saw one in here. I think there's one on the inside part. Excuse me, folks. Yeah, I see one in there. See if there's more than one, possibly. Looks kind of just like the one. There's another one. There we go, guys. We checked in on the quail today and got their eggs. Their food and water is doing well, and I'm pretty happy. We got egg number 5 and 6 today. Hopefully we get some more tomorrow.